Hi there, it's Caroline. I would like to take a moment to thank everyone who subscribed to my channel and watched my videos. We just passed the 100 subscriber mark yesterday. I'm so happy and grateful to all of you. Also, my October setup video was viewed more than 500 times. I can't believe it. Thank you so much. With all that said, let's get into the video. Today I'm setting up my second week of October, which is week 41. To continue with the theme, I sketched out a little witch with her witch hat on, kinda hiding underneath it. I'm not so good with drawing realistic things. All my life I drew anime characters, so the little witch will be like an anime character as well. Slowly but surely I tried to integrate more realistic things in my drawings and themes. I lined the outlines with the Sakura Micron and 01 and proceeded to also write down the quote which says, "Those who do not believe in magic will never find it," by Roald Dahl. Do you also use quotes in your spreads? I find them very inspirational and motivating, especially when your life doesn't work out as you planned it to, or even when the luck doesn't seem to be on your side. They kinda build you back up. Next, I went ahead and painted the ribbon that is around the hat black and left a little space around the number and the buckle. Then I mixed the skin color using cadmium yellow, yellow ochre, carmine and ultramarine and diluted it a lot. I can't remember the ratio, but I added a lot more yellow ochre than the other colors. Then I used the same color from the title page, which is a combination of carmine and ultramarine, for the hat. For her outfit I used the same mix of carmine and ultramarine, but added black to the mix. And I just used the brown from the palette for her hair color. I kept the spread a little bit more simple, to go with the theme, still trying to give the painting a little bit more details. I finished up with some gold around the little brooch and the hat buckle and outlined the number of the buckle with a white gel pen. Right when I was about to finish with the dates, the camera decided to stop recording, but I used a Tombow dual brush pen for the day numbers and a Sakura Micron for the weekdays. And that's it for this video. Click the thumbs up button and subscribe button. All the materials I used will be in the description box below, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!